guys, it's Daniela. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Cannibal TikTok trend, which was actually really popular in like 2020 and 2021, but recently all of these dances have been popular again, so I'm here to show you how to do it. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's get into it. Okay, so the very first step, we're going to step to the left with our left leg. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's going to be a lot easier for you to follow. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do like a circle, just like that. So 1. And then while we do that circle, our left hand is going to be like this, and then our right one look like this, as if we were eating something. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna cross our arms, put them on our shoulders, and then we're gonna uncross. So 1, 2, and then we're gonna push up and stand on our toes. So 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, perfect. And now what we're gonna do after this is we're gonna just do a circle around our head, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna step to the right with our right leg, and we're gonna just bend and then unbend. Then we're gonna bend. Our legs are gonna be together, and then step to the left and then together. So right together, left together. Okay, so from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Push, circle, and step, 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 step. So after these 4 steps, what we're going to do is we're going to step forward with our right leg, and we're going to draw a circle, a heart with our fingers, like this. So 1, 2, and then we're going to do this with our right hand, and we're going to go 1, 2. So you're just going to hear 2 shots. So basically, you're just going to unbend, bend, unbend, bend, but that's going to be really fast, so we're going to just do 1, 2. So from the very beginning, and we'll move on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Push, circle, and step, 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 heart, and 1, 2. So after that, what we're going to do is we're just going to do like a circle with our hands. We're going to do the first move, the same thing we did here, but with our hands. Instead of doing this, you're just gonna do like this circle, just like that. So 1, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll our arms and do this. So basically just our right arm is gonna be straight, and our hand is just gonna be looking outwards, and then with our left hand, we're just gonna grab our arm, just like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So after this, what we're going to do is we're going to do 1, and then we're going to switch. It doesn't really matter which side you do first. Whichever is easier for you, do it like that. So 1, 2, and then we're going to draw an 8 with our right hand. So basically, our hand is just going to go to the left and then to the right, and we're going to just pretend we're drinking something because it says something about tea. So basically, it's just 1, 2, 3. And then with our right hand, we're gonna go above our head, the same circle we did before, and then our hands are gonna go down, they're gonna be together, and we're gonna do the sway, which was like a really popular move, which was like in every dance. So we're just gonna bend both our legs, 1, and then we're gonna go to the left. So right, left, just like that. And also when you do this, you have to do like a little wave. So 1, 2, and that's it. That's the whole dance. So we're gonna do it from the beginning twice. First, we're gonna go slow, and then we're gonna do it a little bit faster, and then that's it. So first, let's go slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross, uncross, up, and 1, 2. Step, 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 heart, and 1, 2. Circle, and 1, and then switch, switch, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect, that's it. And now we're gonna do the same thing, but a little bit faster. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross and cross, up, 1, and step, 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 hard, and 1, 2, circle, and 2, switch, switch, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, comment what dances you want me to do next, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!